गुड मॉर्निंग। आप सोच रहे होंगे घर में मैं मास्क पहन के क्यों घूम रही हूँ। तो हमारी शिफ्टिंग है आज 14th है और हमें घर कल सुबह हम लोग घर छोड़ रहे हैं। तो आपको पता है यहाँ पे एक फ्रिज हुआ करता था और वहाँ पे एक फ्रिज हुआ करता था, दोनों सेल हो चुके हैं और ये सारी चीज़ें बाहर हो गई हैं। इसमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें अगर कोई लेना चाहता है तो उसको हम दे देंगे फ्रेंड्स में से, या सारी थ्रो करनी पड़ेंगी। हमें पैकिंग शुरू करनी है। जल्दी जल्दी में क्या हो गया, लुक एट दिस। ये बनाया मैंने और ये पूरा गिर गया।
Go for a ride? Yeah. I don't want a motorcycle anymore. You gotta. One for me, one for you guys, and your barbecue sauce.
Ding, ding, ding.
And it was retro. Hey, now I'm getting old. People say I'm good. They say I get what I should.
So, हम लोग 15th को LA से इंडियाना आए थे। यहाँ से हमारी 26 को फ़्लाइट शिकागो से है और शिकागो यहाँ से 2.5 या 3 घंटे का ड्राइव है। सो हम लोग 25th को यहाँ से निकलेंगे, 26 को शिकागो और वहाँ से दिल्ली। सो इंडियाना में कोविड के केसेस कम हैं और पिछले जहाँ पे हम रह रहे हैं हमें वहाँ पे केसेस बहुत कम है। सो यहाँ पे हर चीज़ ओपन है और यहाँ पे स्टेज 4 चल रहा है। आप डाइन इन भी कर सकते हो, अंदर जाके रेस्टोरेंट भी खुले हुए हैं, ऑलमोस्ट हर चीज़ खुली हुई है। बस आपको एहतियात बरतना है। मास्क जनरली बहुत कम लोग यहाँ पे पहन रहे हैं, बहुत कम, क्योंकि केसेस नहीं हैं तो लोग थोड़ा इजी हो रहे हैं। सो यस, हम लोग यहाँ पे 4 दिन से। सॉरी मैं व्लॉग बना नहीं पाई क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा आगे एडजस्ट होने में टाइम लग गया और अभी बहुत दिनों बाद खुली हवा, खुली जगह और खुला अब नॉर्मल जैसे हम लोग पहले थे कोविड के वैसा हो रहा है। लाइक हम थोड़ा एंजॉय करने में टाइम लग गया। यूएस आने से पहले जब मैं इंडिया में थी मैं पिस्टल शूटिंग करती थी। मैंने 2 महीने का क्लासेस भी किया था गोरेगांव से। सो यस, आज हम लोग राइफ़ल एंड पिस्टल दोनों ट्राई करने वाले हैं एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस बिकॉज मुझे हमेशा से करने का मन होता था। मुझे ओलंपिक में जाना था एक वक्त पे, पर वो पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाया। सो यस, हम लोग आज राइफ़ल रेंज में आए हैं। शायद आपको मेरी आवाज़ भी सुनाई नहीं दे रही होगी, पर यस, और मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ हमारा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था। सो इसको हम कान में डालते हैं, इसको हम रोल करेंगे, इसको हम रोल करेंगे। Pimple is fitting in.
Do you guys want to? Other lane, and there's a line.
No, we gotta.
Oh, you guys are already down there?
Yeah, we're with it.
Not this one.
Oh, do it, dude. Let me do it.
Why not?
It's too
सो आप जैसा देख सकते हो यहाँ पे हमें साइन इन करना था। हम कहाँ से आए हैं, पहली बार कर रहे हैं। ग्रीन टी शर्ट में केयर टेकर यहाँ के, और ये है रेंज। ओके, मैं लेट हो गई, इन लोगों ने शुरू भी कर दिया है।
Marty looks nervous.
Yeah.
तो अभी वहाँ पे गए हैं टारगेट लगाने के लिए। हमारे पास टारगेट नहीं था तो उन्होंने उधार में दिया।
Finger down there. Yep. Gun ready to go. Putting the bullet in. Okay, get your sight on target. Finger on the trigger. Fire when ready. There you go. Nice. There's your brass. First one for you. You can close it. You can close it this time. Make sure it's comfortable for you before I put the bullets in.
Cease fire, Nate went over there and talked to him. So he's gonna shoot through. So, and how you listen for that is you'll squeeze the trigger, okay, and it won't do it right now, but you'll slowly release the trigger, and there'll be a click when you guys shoot this. You'll hear it. You want to listen for that click. So when you guys shoot, what I want you guys to do is just hold it all the way back, okay, and slowly release. So that's all you guys are gonna do for like. We'll someone load up like 10 rounds for Marley, or you can load up. Just stick in the very bottom
Good
of
luck,
your
Marley.
magazine where there's little crevices and stuff where it can get gunked up right here. This will just make it like. After he shoots, we're shooting. Brass? Yeah. Do we have a roller? Anything in the chamber? If it stops shooting for any reason, okay, and you're like, I don't know.
It's so hard to
Place it on
see.
safe. It's on fire. Place it on safe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next thing you're gonna go do is inspect your chamber to see if you're out of ammo.
Yeah.
If that's not the problem, then you're going to charge the weapon. Okay. So this is the charging handle.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna charge it. See if it's good. If it's still not doing it, I want you to push this button. If it's still not doing it, you're gonna drop the magazine, and I'll come over and mess with it. Okay. But I'll walk you through it.
Yeah, 25%.
This is obviously the trigger and stuff. So keep this out of here until you're ready to shoot. Okay. Okay. Put it in there.
Just like this.
Yep. So I want you to think about something. This is the tip of the bullet, right? So which direction does it travel? That way.
It's done.
Yep. Just smack it. Smack the bottom of it. Put it right in there and smack it. Yep. Smack it. Smack it again. Keep smacking it.
Just here.
All your might.
Yep.
Done.
And
No.
pull.
I know.
You guys are not going to hurt this. Okay. In any way, you will not hurt this in any way. So. See that?
Yeah.
I always
You're
give like a
slapping
little
Marley?
tug.
Oh god, fuck me.
Okay.
Oh, close.
So magazine's now in here. So I want you to pick this
Is it
up.
stinging you?
Okay.
Fucking bee,
Put it in
dude.
your
He
shoulder.
almost got me. I saw him going for it.
You good?
Oh.
What a dick.
She's a little
Don't do that
shorter.
next time. It's one range.
This might be harder.
Looking for a
'Cause you're
clear.
just.
Hold on.
Oh, this is that.
Hold
that's-
on. I know. Hold on. Are you looking for a clear? We're going clear?
Hang on. Oh wait, you come back here. You guys good?
Portrait.
Hold on. Put the gun down, Anu. Good? Cool.
Got the jump on you the first time. Now you know it doesn't really hurt. Doesn't. Yeah. You're ready. So whenever you squeeze that trigger, it's gonna shoot.
Lean into it a little bit more, Anu.
Pull it into yourself. With this hand, pull it into yourself
Sorry.
and lean into the gun.
is she shooting? Are you aiming high?
Are you aiming high? I don't think she is. Here, shoot again. I think it's just right behind the target.
Yeah, you don't really see a whole lot of disbursement.
Yeah, I think she's fine. Oh, it is
That
high.
was way high.
That is really high.
You need to aim
Yeah,
way
you need to
down.
bring it down.
Ah,
You need to bring it down like that.
then I can't see.
You can't see. You need something higher.
She's shooting over.
Here, how about this? Back up.
High.
Shooting over?
Back up as much as you
No,
can.
Not over, but not like a.
Back up as much as you can.
I saw it when. I didn't see anything else before.
Okay.
I did. It was lower before. It was
Yeah.
just a part of the on top of the.
Oh, this is kind of working.
And then
Yeah.
try to
It's so awkward.
grab it like that.
Well, she's short.
Anybody else?
We're just regular
Make sure
sized
you're
people, I
aiming
guess.
lower.
Yeah, you're still aiming up.
Huh?
Anu, do you see the red dot inside?
Yeah, I do.
Are you putting it on the red target?
Yeah.
She's using the different eye. You gotta use your right eye, I know.
Use this eye.
Oh, are you left eye dominant?
I don't know.
So
one do you
yeah,
prefer?
you're probably left eye dominant.
I look with this one.
Yeah.
Try the
You're
other
left
eye.
eye dominant. Close your left eye. I'm left eye dominant too. I shoot with my right eye.
I have a
Close your left
problem. I
eye.
can't close this eye.
Close your left eye, open other way.
Do you remember? I can't
Oh,
do
she
it.
can't do
You
it.
can't do it.
She literally closed both.
Can you use your left hand?
I never
You
did.
have to switch.
She's gonna catch brass in the face, dude.
Huh? No, don't do that.
I don't think she'll catch breast.
I guess it's got the deflectors big enough.
Yeah, I was gonna say like I can see where it's. I got hit
to
by
hold
it
on this
standing
side.
to the right of it.
We just gotta make sure she's not over to the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can shoot it left-handed if you want.
No, not like this. Not like this. Is it on safety?
It is right now, yeah.
You shouldn't shoot like this though, right?
Yeah, that's weird. You can't close your fucking left
No.
eye.
Look, I can do this.
Try look.
Do the other eye. Try.
Yeah, I see it now.
Okay, now shoot there.
Okay, let's do this. I'm not gonna hurt myself, right?
It might be easier if we shorten the stock on her too.
Here, you want us to shorten that? You're good.
You're on safety.
Go for it. Let her rip. And you're welcome to shoot those 22s if you want. There's plenty of ammo left.
I kind of just want to shoot my handguns and get something to drink.
I got,
Shoot charcoal.
You're good. A little bit.
hold on. I got an idea.
Same place.
So I just found out I can't close my right eyes. Right eye.
No, you're good though. That was good. If we had like a range that we I could teach you on, like legitimately, it'd be better. But you're good about you're good with the trigger reset. That's
I
important.
can't do it without
That's like
like
one of the most important
physically
things
touching it or closing it.
they don't know about.
So हमारा इधर आ. So हमने राइफल शूटिंग कर ली, पिस्टल शूटिंग कर रहे थे और कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा था,
मजा है?
मज़ा आया। तूने तो 2 ही किया,
3 किया मैं, 4 5 किया, 2 बार किया मैंने.
तूने 5 किया, मैंने 6 किया, 6-7 किया। एक तूने नहीं ट्राई किया
मुझे
होगा।
हमेशा लग रहा था कि वो मेरे हाथ से छूट जाएगा.
ये वाला थोड़ा ज़्यादा वो था, कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा था।
पहला वाला
ये
मुझे
वाला।
ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो उड़ जाएगा मेरे हाथ से.
हाँ,
लग रहा था ना?
सेकंड वाला ठीक था क्योंकि पहले वाला प्रैक्टिस हो गया था।